Mr. Jake, representing today the Center of Legal Science, Mr. Andy of Panero, Operating and Mr. John, President of Bank Lawyers, yours truly, my name is Juan Reyes of Triple R Ranking and Costa Costa, Diane Reyes of Industrial Photography, and last but not least, Mr. Virgil M. Silense of BMS UK. And of course, I would like to thank our official outfitter, Atletica. So Atletica is taking great. They work hard to do uniforms to the best of their ability, and I have no problems with that. I can contact them anytime, including the weekends. I would like to thank also the members of the admin team and our committee members as well. Mr. Angel Nago, Ano Abel, Kevin Brewster, Louis Sagon is not here, Randy Marines, Rico Bahaya, Steve Aquino, and Francis. Ano last name of Francis? Maganon. I would like to thank the family for their support. We are here today as well. Of course, I would like to thank Almighty God for giving us the strength and help to be here today. Lastly, I would like to thank all the players who are participating in this tournament, and thank you as well to your families, your partners, your loved ones for their support. As you all know, this is our first ever Sunday Basketball Club Melbourne Western Sunday Basketball League Tournament, and it is appropriately named Mighty Finance Winter Tournament 2025. I have been part of organizing previous tournaments, but this is the first time after a long time. As such, I would like to ask for your patience and understanding. If there are or will be missteps from time to time, please feel free to give suggestions to the admins so we can take this into consideration. We have already drawn the game for today, so it's on the whiteboard over there. That will be the order of our games today. Just a few housekeeping rules. Please keep noise on minimum as we are sharing the center with other players. Also, please keep our area clean at all times. Put your rubbish in the rubbish bins. And lastly, I would like you to enjoy the games. Our goal is to promote camaraderie and brotherhood amongst all the players. Play hard and smart, but keep it clean and sportsmanly. Protect yourselves and other players at all times, and maintain respect to one another and to our admins, committee, and game officials. With this, I would like to declare the Mighty Finance Winter Tournament 2025 properly open. Good night to all the teams, and may God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Kuya. This tournament would not be possible without the generous support of our sponsors. To present the staff of appreciation, please welcome Kuya Angel Abo.
Diane, sponsor.